Straight from the UK. Thank you, Dan Garnies. Now, the power plant will live. Got the brains. Got the brains. There we go. Got their business card. Look them up. Some stickers as requested, my man. And there she is. The brains. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. Time to put in the new brains. Got the BMW M54 EWS Delete Remap by old boy DG Maps. Hit him up on Facebook, Instagram at DG Maps. Slide her in. Hi. Not even the right one. Bang. Cool. That's in. Alright, so what we got going. Emptying out the gas tank so I can put that fresh pow pow sauce in there, aka German juice. Got a Beamer Screamer. This is a EWS, whatever. This is a EWS 3, or I guess in general you have to do it. You gotta go underneath the dash, take out the plug, and then tie the two thick boys together with, obviously I did it not the right way completely, but get that covered so I don't get no forest fires. And after that, it'll be good to start. I'm gonna check a couple more things. Took the plugs out. I'm gonna crank it over a couple times before I fully run it, just to make sure all the oil's washed through and such, and everything's good to go. So I'm just gonna double check a couple more things and get her going. All right, battery's hooked up. Let's see if we can get her to turn over. Motor. I don't know, it's handy. Trial 3 or 4 or 5 or something. Let's see. She's got what it takes this time. Lord help. So fucking pissing. Fuck. She is pissing fuel. Why?